The stock market. You hear about it constantly, but what is it? Let's break it down in 60 seconds. Imagine your favorite local coffee shop is doing so well, the owner wants to open 10 more. To do that, they need a lot of money. They can't just get a loan, so they decide to let people own a small piece of their business. Each small piece of ownership is called a share or stock. When the company sells these shares to the public, it becomes publicly traded. This is called an IPO, or initial public offering. The stock market is essentially a giant digital marketplace where these shares are bought and sold. The price of a share is based on simple supply and demand. If the coffee shop is thriving, more people want to own a piece, so the price goes up. It's not just coffee shops. The stock market is home to thousands of companies, from tech giants like Apple to your favorite shoe brand. It's how these companies raise money to grow, innovate, and expand. And for you, it's an opportunity. By buying a company's stock, you become a part owner. If the company does well, your little piece of the business becomes more valuable, and you make money. It's a powerful way for everyday people to invest and build wealth. So, the stock market? It's where you own a piece of the world's most successful businesses. Simple as that. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and press the bell icon to stay updated with our latest financial analyses.